Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shaizas Crochet. Today we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful poncho for 0 to 6 month old baby. Here I have used the high neck pattern, which is very easy, and additionally we didn't do any border, so quickly you can crochet this pattern. Used only the 100% acrylic yarn and around 120 grams of yarn I have used for this poncho. Using this pattern you can crochet any size. You just want to increase the number of foundation chains, and then automatically the width and size of the project will increase. So without further delay, we'll start the project. Before that, if you are first time in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel along with the bell icon, so whenever I upload new videos you'll get the notification. Also, if you have any comments or suggestions, please put it in the comment section, or you can send the message through Instagram. So let's start our project. For this project I have taken here 2 colors of yarn. These 2 colors are from Hariri brand. The color code for this is 217, that is black color. It is 100% acrylic and it has 132 meter and grams, 40 grams. Same like this, the other one also 100% acrylic. The color code only differ, that is 161 for this. And they recommend the hook size is 3.5 mm. So I have here 3.5 mm hook size, measuring tape and a pair of scissors. Let's start this project with the slip knot, and then we are going to make chain 1, 2, 3. Here I have made 96 chains, which is multiples of 4. Now we are going to do the slip stitch into the very first chain. So insert the hook into the very first chain and we'll make the slip stitch. So we have joined here. Now let's make 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, yarn over into the very first chain, insert the hook and pull up the yarn over, pull through the first 2 and the second 2, a double crochet, yarn over into the next, insert the hook, pull up the yarn over, pull through the first 2 and the second 2. So into each stitch we are going to make a double crochet. So at the end we will have 96 double crochet stitches. Here I have finished into each stitch a double crochet. Now we are going to do the slip stitch. So insert the hook into this space and then we'll make a slip stitch. Again chain 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over. Here we have the first double crochet, and then we are going to make into this a front post double crochet. Insert the hook like this and then pull the yarn up, make a double crochet. This is a front post double crochet, yarn over. Into the next we'll make a back post double crochet, and then again into the next we'll make front post double crochet. Here we'll make a back post double crochet. So till the end of this row we are going to continue front post double crochet and 1 back post double crochet. And to the last we'll make 1 back post double crochet, and then into this space, first double crochet space, we'll insert the hook and we are going to make the slip stitch. Again we'll make chain 3, yarn over. Here we have the front post, so let's make the front post, and then next we have the back post, so we'll make the back post. Again front post, again we have here back post, so we are going to make back post. So same like this we are going to continue 8 more rounds. This is our second round with the front post and back post double crochet. So 8 more rounds we are going to do with the same pattern. I have finished here 10 rounds of front post and back post double crochet. Now we are going to mark. This is our last stitch where I stopped the front post and back post double crochet. So this will be the first corner, and then I'm going to take exactly half of this. On the other side, I'm going to mark the stitch, and then we'll take the second color. I'm going to insert, we'll make the slip knot, and then insert the hook into this stitch where we have stopped, and then keep these two tails like this. Make a single crochet, chain 1, 2, yarn over, inside the same space let's make 1 double crochet, again inside we'll make 1 more double crochet, and then chain 2, yarn over, inside this we are going to make 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3, chain 2, yarn over, let's keep this 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3 into the fourth, inside the hook make a double crochet, and then chain 2, yarn over, into the same stitch we'll make 1 more double crochet, again yarn over, skip the next 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4 into the fourth, we are going to make here 1, 2, 3 into the fourth, we'll make 1 double crochet, chain 2, yarn over, inside this 1 more double crochet. So we are going to continue the same pattern till we reach this stitch marker. Here we have reached near to the stitch marker, but in between after this V stitch we have here only 1 double crochet, so I'm going to just remove this one, and then let's make chain 2, yarn over, skip the next 3, 1, 2, 3 and to the fourth stitch let's make 1 double crochet, again 2, 3 double crochets, chain 2, yarn over, inside the same space let's make 3 more double crochet. This is our second corner, 1, 2, and then into the same we'll make the third one, then again chain 2, yarn over, 1, 2, 3, 4 into the fourth we'll make a V stitch, same like this before. We are going to continue into every fourth stitch a V stitch, yarn over, 1, 2, 3, 4 into the fourth we'll make a V stitch, chain 2 and a double crochet. So let's continue till we reach the next point. Here we have reached at the end of this row. Let's make 2 chain, 1, 2, and then into the third chain, 1, 2, 3 into the third chain we'll make the slip stitch. So we have finished our first row, and then let's do the slip stitch into the next stitch, and then we'll reach to the center space, again we'll make the slip stitch, chain 3, this is our first double crochet, yarn over, again we'll make 2 double crochets, 1, 2, chain 2, yarn over, inside again we are going to make 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3. Now yarn over, inside here after the space we have here the V stitch, let's make into this a front post double crochet, yarn over, inside this again we'll make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 double crochet, chain 2, yarn over, again inside we'll make 2 double crochet, 1, 2, and then yarn over, into the next double crochet we are going to make a front post double crochet, again yarn over, here we have the next V stitch, let's make into this a front post double crochet, and then inside this 2 double crochets, 1, 2, chain 2, again inside we'll make 2 double crochets, 1, 2, again yarn over, let's make the front post double crochet into the next double crochet, So same like this, we are going to repeat till we reach the next corner. Here we have reached at this next corner. Let's make chain 2, yarn over. Inside this chain 2 space, we'll make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, yarn over. Inside this again 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, and then again chain 2, yarn over. Inside this here, into this we'll make 1 front post, then inside 2 double crochets, 1, 2, chain 2, again 2 double crochets, 1, 2, again into this we'll make a front post double crochet. So again we'll continue the same pattern till we reach the next end. Chain 2. Now we are going to do the slip stitch at the top of this double crochet, and then do the slip stitch into the next double crochet, again into the next, just to reach to the center, and then inside this we'll make 1 single crochet, chain 2, yarn over. Inside this we'll make 1 double crochet, again 1 more double crochet, chain 2, inside we'll make again 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3, chain 2, yarn over. Inside the space let's make 1 double crochet, chain 2, again inside we'll make 1 more double crochet, yarn over. Here we have the space, chain 2 space, inside the hook into this we'll make 1 double crochet, chain 2, again inside we'll make 1 double crochet, yarn over. Into this chain 2 space inside the hook, and we'll make a double crochet, chain 2, again a double crochet. So same like this we are going to continue till the end of this row. Yarn over. Inside this space we'll make 1 double crochet, 2 chain, 1 double crochet, and then chain 2, yarn over. Inside this we'll make same like the previous round, 3 double crochet, chain 2, again 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, yarn over. Inside this we'll make 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet, and then yarn over. Inside this space we'll make 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet till we reach the first corner. Let's make chain 2, and we'll do the slip stitch into the third chain here, and then let's make the slip stitch into the next, and then into the next we'll make a single crochet, chain 2. Inside this we are going to make 3 double crochets, 1, 2, chain 2, yarn over. Again inside we'll make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Now we are going to repeat the row number 2. We'll make chain 2, chain 2, yarn over. Inside this here we have V stitch. Let's make into this 1 front post double crochet, yarn over. Inside we'll make 2 double crochets, 1, 2, chain 2, yarn over. Inside this again we'll make 2 double crochet, 1, 2, yarn over. Here we'll make a front post double crochet. So we are going to repeat in this round row number 2, and then we will repeat row number 3. So till we get our desired size for the project, we are going to repeat row number 2 and 3. Here I have finished totally 20 rounds of the same pattern. 2 rounds at the end I finished with the black, and in between after the 8 rounds with the blue, then I used the black for 2 rows, and then again 8 rows with the blue, after that 2 rows with the black. So it measures now the height, it's 13 inches, and for the shoulder it is 9 inches. We don't want to add extra borders for this poncho. And here we have the neck, the high neck, so we don't want to use the lace also inside to adjust the height. So it is very easy and beautiful. I hope you all have enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please hit the like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.